She love how I talk. She know that poppy outside. She know I'm the king of New York.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we back with another fire banger. Make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video, we just gonna chat it up a little bit. It's gonna be a little vlog. I'm gonna wash the car, and we're gonna talk about a few things. And y'all should already know the vibes. We don't start no video without the first shot of the day. So today's video is gonna be a little bit like a vlog. We just gonna talk about a few things. Got some big things on for the car. So we're going to Florida for like a week, just a little vacation, and we're gonna be taking delivery of one of my homie's cars. He had his engine rebuilt. He had a Subaru STI, so we're gonna go pick that up, and we're gonna vlog pretty much while we're down there. And by the coincidence, what's it called? By the coincidence, Underground Tuning is going to be nearly an hour from where I'm at. I had to give it to y'all. Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, so like I was saying before, we have to get the burbles in. Yes, I'm going to Florida. The homie's gonna get his car. His car's actually pretty fire. He has a Subaru, just like my homie Kyler from one of my previous videos. If you want to go check that one out, he's the one who detailed my car. But they have almost identical cars. I don't understand Subaru. I don't understand Dynamic. Me personally, I'm not really a fan of them, but hey, if they like it, I love it. So Underground Tuning is also gonna be like an hour from where I'll be staying. So hopefully we can link up with them and I can actually show them the car in person, and we can just talk about a few things, and that's gonna be pretty fire. Underground Tuning also did send me a package with a t-shirt, some stickers, so I'm gonna be unboxing that for y'all today in this video whenever we get done washing the car. And this is actually gonna be the first time y'all get to see the forged carbon wrap, like for the first, probably for the second or third time, but like the car will actually be clean, so that way I can see it. So it's gonna be lit. Like that forged carbon, it never fails. Like that shit is beautiful. And yo, we are on the road to 200 subs, bro. We are at 187 as of right now. We can definitely hit 200 before Thanksgiving. I'm pretty sure we can do it. Please make sure y'all go like, comment, go subscribe. Go get your mom's phone and subscribe from her phone. Go get whoever phone and subscribe to your boy. I'm coming out with that fire content for the 3.6 Pentastar platform. Alright, so we made it to the car wash. I'm gonna show you how dirty the car is right now. I haven't gotten it washed since the last video, actually. I haven't got the car washed since the last video. I've been neglecting her. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so y'all can see the car is like, it's pretty dirty. It's been pretty gloomy out here, so it's been like raining hella, so I haven't been able to wash it. But look at that forged carbon. Oh my God. So you got bugs all in front of my baby. She's just a dirty girl right now. Like the roof, everything pretty dirty. Like it's bad. Just look at that. Look, you can see my hand from the trunk, look. Yeah. We definitely gotta get it right. So I'm gonna pick up the camera once I'm done washing her. Get all that right. So y'all see how the forge is now, right? So my first time washing it like this, my bad, it's real loud. So my first time washing it like this, I thought I washed off the forge, but watch, like it looks satin black from back here. But watch it not dry and everything, and put the wax on. It's gonna look crazy. All right, so we got the car all washed up. get her dry. Oh yeah, let me put y'all on game. This is the wax I use for my trunk, my roof, and my hood. And this is the tire shine that I use for my wheels. Honestly, this is probably like one of the best tire shines you can use for these wheels. Like, it just spray right on. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you this one with it on and the other one with it off. So this is it with the tire shine on, and that's it with the tire shine off. Like, it's a big difference. Like, that Meguiar's be getting that shit look good. Like, look at the difference. That half and half. Like, that side look ashy. That side look good. Perfect. Meguiar's is my favorite tire shine of all time. All right, y'all, so we got the car all nice and detailed. Look at that forged carbon on there. That shit look crazy. The car nice and detailed. The wheels looking good. That frostbite is frostbiting. I ain't even gonna cap to you. I gotta say, frostbite is definitely one of Dodge's hardest colors or hardest blues for sure. Like, you get that wash nice and right, bro, look tough. Just look at that hood, bro. That hood look crazy. That hood is fire. Man, they loud over there. But yeah, definitely tough. Got the car nice and washed in Florida. Okay, so we got the car washed. That was first step. Now I'm gonna go cut my hair, go get some food, and then we're gonna jump right into the unboxing of the Underground Tuning merch. So I'll pick y'all up once I get my cut, and then after the cut, I'll pick the camera up again once we get to unboxing the merch. All right, so just got the cut, looking tough. But yeah, look at that Ford. Look at that. Look at that. But I head to the house, do this unboxing for y'all. All right, y'all, so we got to the house. So, covered the address, but this is the package from Underground Tuning. They sent me a t-shirt for other things, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Well, unpackage it. All right, let's see what they sent your boy. Oh, matter of fact, let me go right here. Get my handy dandy pocket knife. Sick. All right, let me see some. Oh yeah. Oof. Nah, that's tough. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it say powered by Underground Tuning or powered by Underground. That's tough. That's one little sticker right there. Got another powered by Underground. Oh, this one's heat. Underground Tuning. Look at that. They sent me this one. Nah, I fuck with that. Send me another powered by Underground. Let me see. Oh, they sent me hella stickers. Like, I got hella. Oh, yo, these are tough. Bro, that is heat. No cap. And then powered by Underground. Oh yeah, I'm putting these on my laptop and in my engine bay. All right, is that all the stickers? And they sent me a t-shirt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's tough. They sent me the Underground Tuning t-shirt. That is heat. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna show y'all outside how y'all can look at it. All right, so this is the t-shirt they sent me, the Underground Tuning. That is tough. They sent me the sticker and the powered by Underground Tuning. Bro, I appreciate it so much, man. Much love from y'all. Keep doing y'all thing. Y'all definitely gonna see more content coming out, man. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put those stickers, like 1 or 2 of those stickers, on here, and I'm put on my laptop for sure. All right, bet. So y'all see, I'll be doing the little sticker blast in here. So I think I'm gonna put these stickers. I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna put these stickers right here. All right, bet. Let's do this. Put this one. Let's see. How do I split this? Blooper. Hold on. Let me see. Let me get this off real quick. All right. So I put the first one on. Now I'm about to put the second one on. Put this one right here. It's perfect. Hell yeah. Powered by Underground. Shout time out. Yes, sir, ski. Nah, these stickers are heat, bro. These stickers are tough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all gotta look at this. Y'all already see it, man. Powered by Underground Tuning. Man, Underground, y'all doing y'all thing, bro. I appreciate y'all so much for what y'all do. Keep going, man. Y'all gonna turn up. This is definitely, if you're not with Underground Tuning, I don't know what you're doing, bro. If you're not powered by Underground Tuning with your Mopar, you are crazy. You are crazy, bro. Go ahead. Make sure y'all go hit up Underground Tuning. Tell them that 36J sent y'all, man. I'm not sponsored by them. They're not telling me to do none of this. This is just me showing love, bro, because I appreciate their work and the grind they be putting in, bro. They doing something that's one of one. All right, y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. Underground Tuning, I appreciate y'all for sending me the t-shirt and the stickers, man. Much love. Y'all keep doing y'all thing, man. I really appreciate y'all. But make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 200 subs by Thanksgiving or Christmas or sooner. It's 36J, man. I'm going to catch you on the next banger. Let's get it.